All right, let's see what's happening out there right now. 75 degrees. Hope you have a good day today. We do have a concern for fire, critical fire weather out there. We're talking about very dry air, very dry conditions, of course, and then windy conditions out there. Not yet. Light breeze at 3 miles per hour. We've seen that number up a little bit at times. 75 degrees, but this afternoon winds could gust up a little bit. Any fires start or conditions where a fire could start might be made worse by that, so be very careful. 70s area wide. You got a 75 here. 70 out in Fredericksburg, 70 in Llano, 73 out in LaGrange. You have temperatures that are a little warmer to the north, 86 in Dallas. They didn't cool down much. What's interesting is they actually have showers passing through. Can't imagine those being hot showers. At some point, though, their temperature is likely to drop a little bit as a reflection of that rain coming through. It's a stationary front. What does it mean for us? Well, it's obviously not a big bad cold front that's going to roll in, but it may roll a little bit further south and give us a possibility for showers. Watch our forecast model. Showers there as we go through the next couple of days. You're going to see a possibility for a few showers pop up closer in and across the state. So there is that possibility for a few isolated showers. Not a guarantee as to where they are, but watch the radars. Of course, we have Android and iPhone apps as well. You can watch the radars and see if maybe some of that rain will head your way. 102 for the afternoon high, still hot. That would tie the old record set back in 1924, 74 the overnight low. 7-day forecast. If you can stand one more day of the 100-degree heat, we will end up with temperatures in the 90s and just an isolated shower possible. Now, this is probably going to be just a few spots on the radar, but we keep that few spots on the radar forecast all the way through at least Tuesday.